Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to record only the browser. To be able to do this, I will use OBS Studio. If you don't have the program, I will put the link down below. You can go to the link and download the OBS Studio. After you click the link, just download the program for your operating system. I'm using Windows, that's why I will select Windows. If you use other operating systems like Mac OS or Linux, click your operating system and you're ready to go. After you download the OBS Studio, just install it. After you install the program, open it. Now, to be able to record the browser, first you need to make a scene. Click this add icon and make a scene. You can call whatever you want and then press OK. Go to sources and right click, go to add and then click the browser. You can call it whatever you want. I will press OK, and in here you need to pass a URL. I will paste my YouTube channel and then you can change its width and height. I will make it 1920 by 1080p, and then you can use a custom frame rate like 60 fps. I will use 60 fps, but you can change whatever you want. Don't forget to click control audio via OBS and we are ready to go. Just click the OK button and as you can see, we added a browser to the OBS. By the way, if you want to change something in here, you need to press the interact and then now you can interact with the browser. Like if I want to search something, I can go to my videos, shorts, playlist or some other things, but without this interact button, you can't interact with the browser. That's why if you want to change something in the browser, you need to press the interact button. Now we can record whatever we want. For example, I will open one of my videos and when I click the start recording, I can record the browser's sound. It could be helpful in some areas. For example, maybe you want to download your new lesson, but your teacher doesn't give you a permission to do so. But with this tactic, you still can't download, but you can record while you watch your lesson. And you can watch again and again until your exam. I'm also using it especially for that reason. By the way, the best part is that you can do whatever you want in the background. You don't need to look at the screen. As you can see, it will still record. You don't need to look at the screen and the page doesn't need to be opened in your browser. The only thing you need to do is not close the OBS and that's it. I hope the video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up to the video. Take care and I will see you in the next video.